Hi champions, welcome to a marvelous Monday, the first Monday in May. This week we're going to review 2s, 3s, 4s, 5s of multiplication and division, but today we're going to do multiplication. We did 4s and 5s last week and 2s and 3s the week before, but I want to make sure we're solid with those before we move on to the harder multiplication sets. So remember, anything times 0 is 0, anything times 1 is itself. So those are some things to remember. I got us a bigger multiplication chart for this week in case you need to refer to it. It goes all the way to the 12 on the top and the 12 on the bottom. So you have all of the facts that we've been learning all the way to 12s. Alright, here are the rolling number songs for 3, 4s, and 5s. And then for the 2s, I just did some skip counting there. So there's no song for it, but 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16, 18, 20, 22, 24. And of course, that would continue, so put ... The 3s, Broncos, here we go. Let me see your fingers roll. 3, 6, 9, 12, 15, 18, 21, 24. We're all going to college. 27, 30, 33, and 36. We got to keep on moving. 4s, Broncos, here we go. Let me see your fingers roll. 4, 8, 12, 16, 20, 24. That's how we roll our 4s. 28, 32, 36, 40, 44, 48. La, 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 la. Broncos are singing, yeah. And the 5s. Broncos, here we go. Let me see your fingers roll. 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45, 50, 55, 60. Take a deep breath. Huh. So if you still need some help, remember you can go look at my YouTube channel. I have all the rolling number songs, so you can go look there to remind yourself. Alright, so for this part we're going to practice. For some of them you can choose which number you want to roll, but for some of them you have to choose a certain number. So 2 times 4, I'm going to roll my 2s 4 times. And you can practice with me. 2, 4, 6, 8, stop. 8. 3 times 12, roll our 3s 12 times. 3, 6, 9, 12, 15, 18, 21, 24. We're all going to college. 27, 30, 33, and 36. Stop. 5 times 1, 5. 2 times 12, 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16, 18, 20, 22, 24. Stop. 5 times 10. You should know this, but we'll still roll our numbers. 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45, 50. Stop. Roll your 4s 9 times. 4, 8, 12, 16, 20, 24. That's how we roll our 4s. 28, 32, 36. Stop. Ooh, these were both 36. 3 times 4, or 4 times 3. 3, 6, 9, 12. Or 4, 8, 12. Same answer. 2 times 0 is 0. 7 times 3. We haven't learned the 7s yet, so we'll do 3 times 7. 3, 6, 9, 12, 15, 18, 21. Stop. 11 times 2. We haven't learned 11, so we'll do 2 times 11. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16, 18, 20, 22. Stop. 4 times 16. 4 times 4. Whoops. 4, 8, 12, 16. I have a habit of doing that. 6 times 5. We're going to flip it and do 5 times 6. 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30. Stop. 3 times 5 or 5 times 3. 3, 6, 9, 12, 15. Stop. Or 5, 10, 15. Stop. 6 times 6. Oh, we haven't done 6 times 6. So I'm going to change that to 6 times 3. Sorry about that typo, because we haven't done 6s yet. So 3 times 6. 3, 6, 9, 12, 15, 18. Stop. Sorry about that typo. 5 times 12. 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45, 50, 55, 60. Stop. 3 times 8. 3, 6, 9, 12, 15, 18, 21, 24. Stop. So you should be able to answer all of those. You notice how I had to roll my numbers numerous different times. That's how fluid I'd like you to be. All right, let's solve some word problems. How many wheels would 12 dirt bikes have? So a dirt bike has 2 wheels times 12. Let's roll our 2s 12 times. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16, 18, 20, 22, 24. 24 what? 20 how many what? Wheels. Remember, don't leave your numbers naked. Number 2, if 11 Ubers arrive at the party at the same time carrying 5 passengers, how many people arrive at once? So we have 11 cars with 5 people in each. Let's do 11 times 5. 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45, 50, 55. Stop. 55 what? What are we solving for? How many people? So 55 people. Number 3, 5 groups of animals walked around the park in pairs. Pairs tells me a number. How many total animals were there? So we have 5 groups. How much was a pair again? Well, I have a pair of feet. I have 2 feet. So 5 times 2, 5, 10. 10 what? What are we solving for? How many total animals? Number 4, all 9 judges gave the entertainer a score of 4. What was his total score? So we have 9 judges. Each of them gave that person a 4. So we're going to do 9 times 4. We haven't done our 9, so we're going to do 4 times 9. 4, 8, 12, 16, 20, 24. That's how we roll our 4s. 28, 32, 36. Stop. 36 what was his total score? And number 5. 6 people came to the movies and paid $4 each. How much were the ticket sales altogether? So if there's 6 people and they each paid $4. We haven't learned our 6s yet. Let's do our 4s. 4, 8, 12, 16, 20, 24. Stop. 24, you what? How much were the ticket sales? Well, we're talking about money. So $24. Okay, so it's your turn now. You're going to time yourself for a minute, see how many you can get, and then complete the rest of them when you're done. So I'm going to zoom out. Here are all of them. So you can pause the screen here so you can see every single problem. And then we have 5 word problems. So again, same thing. You will be solving either times 2s, 3s, 4s, and 5s we're focused on today. So make sure you're writing me the equation and then the answer. Don't forget to tell me how many what. Like, what are you solving for? So don't leave your answer choice by itself. We want to know what goes at the end. And we'll see you tomorrow. Good luck.